Hello and welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're going to make an Eau De Cologne that's perfect for all gender types. Okay, to make our Eau De Cologne, you'll need a few ingredients, of course. The first ingredient that you'll need is vodka or Everclear, and I chose to go with a local brand from our local Portland distillery, New Deal. So we're using New Deal Portland vodka. You'll also need your essential oils. So you simply measure out your essential oils and blend them all together, which I've done here. And you'll need orange blossom distillate. And finally, you'll need a solubilizer to help your oils blend into the vodka better. Okay, so now that we have all of our ingredients, we'll just mix them together. So to start with, we're going to add our orange blossom distillate to our alcohol and give that just a quick stir. And then we're going to blend, move this out of the way for a second. We're going to blend the polysorbate and the essential oils together so that they mix into the alcohol better. So I'm simply going to take the polysorbate and pour it right into the essential oils. And simply mix that together. Make sure it's well mixed so that it solubilizes into that alcohol and distillate. Okay, so now we simply pour this right into our alcohol and give that a stir. So you can make this without the polysorbate. However, you'll notice your essential oils will separate very quickly, so you'll have to shake before each use. And if you don't mind doing that, then that's just fine. But if you'd rather have your oils solubilized and spray out evenly with your in your cologne, then you can use the polysorbate. So it's that easy to make. You simply pour this off into your packaging and use it whenever you feel like. It's a very gender neutral scent, so perfect for all gender types. So we hope you enjoy our video. We hope that you come back and subscribe for more. Please click the more button for the full recipe and instructions on how to make. Thanks for joining us.